With the goal of getting and keeping seniors connected, the Baltimore County Department of Aging started the Living Connected Initiative, a program that focuses on the benefits of living a life connected through resources, services, and people.
The more people volunteer, I'm hoping the more they appreciate, the more you get to, there's more positives out there than the negatives are. And so you go home at night and you think, you know, I accomplished something.
Baltimore County Department of Aging strengthens lives by providing programs and services and connections to resources to help people in the county live longer and live well. So this year we're focusing on social isolation and loneliness in Baltimore County for our older adults. So Living Connected is our theme, and that really runs through the entire department. All of our programs and services in one way or another serve those who may be isolated in the community. So we can bring folks in, we can go to them in their homes, and we can find ways to reconnect them with the community. The beginning of the year, our focus was on training other professionals to understand how to recognize social isolation and loneliness, what they can do in their own professions to help identify individuals, and then connect them with the resources that are available in the community.
The Center Connection Program supports Living Connected by bringing seniors to the Senior Center who might not otherwise be able to attend. We provide guidance and connections, and we encourage participations for these members who might not else be able to come out and enjoy the center life.
Yeah, a lot of people will help them to come out of the houses because they were just sitting there. Rather than sitting at home looking at the four walls, you know, when you come out, you know, it just is a nice feeling actually.
Eating together is exactly what it says. So what we do is provide meals in all of our senior centers, as well as several housing sites throughout Baltimore County, where people come together to share a meal. And it's an opportunity to meet with others in the same place. And as I like to say, breaking bread is always something that brings people together. So it's a wonderful way to get a nutritious meal and to meet with others in a friendly setting.
You know, sitting together is a good feeling anyway. And then, you know, it helps you, you exchange ideas, you help each other.
The BCDA Family Caregivers Program keeps family members who are caring for older relatives connected through support and resources, education, and information.
Family members especially should be keen into what we do at the Department of Aging, because they may not recognize the need themselves, the older adult, but their caregivers, their family members, they may. So they certainly can call, and we'll offer them advice and information as well.
The Caregivers Program is solely devoted to the family members of seniors. It is a very unique service. Our programs and support are all designed especially for that family member who's trying to keep their loved one safe and healthy in the community. Our Caregiver Program staff are very involved in the community through different outreach presentations, resource sessions, education, and outreach. And we also have a specialized, individualized consultation where our specialist goes into the home and does a one-on-one session with families to brainstorm about connections and resources for their situation.
Home Team is a unique program to Baltimore County Department of Aging that was created many years ago, actually, and we place volunteers with homebound older adults for socialization. We have friendly visitors who will go in and spend at least an hour a week with an individual who otherwise does not have contact with people away from the home.
I got involved because I just like working with people. I retired in 2000. I love volunteering.
So it's a great way to get people back active in serving their communities and other older adults.
I like the whole program. It's just such a help to me.
You know, I'm learning from her, she's learning from me. We like to talk. It's fun for both of us.
For those individuals who maybe left the job market and decided, you know, maybe I want to get back, that was really a key part to my feeling valued in the community. We do have a job training program for those over the age of 55 who meet income eligibility. And we will place them in a nonprofit or a government agency while they learn new job skills in order to prepare them for non-subsidized employment.
I felt really great to be back in a part of the workforce. I was excited about learning something new because it was like a different job from what I was doing for the last 30 years. I learned so much more and continue to meet people like I like doing.
I just wanted to follow up that I will.
The easiest way to connect with the Department of Aging is through our Maryland Access Point, which we also refer to as MAP, which is a single phone number at 410-887-2594. And we have professional information and referral specialists who will talk through what your issues or needs may be and help you to identify the resources that will connect you back into the community. For over 40 years now, the Baltimore County Department of Aging has been serving the older adults of the community, and we're very proud of the reputation we have, the professionalism of our staff, and our ability to meet the needs of all of the individuals living in Baltimore County. We ask that everyone reach out to us if they have a need. If they have a perceived need, we're there to assist them in living longer and living well.
To discover the many tools offered by the Baltimore County Department of Aging that can keep seniors connected, a great place to begin is this year's Power of Age Expo, coming to the Timonium Fairgrounds for one day only, tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. We look forward to seeing you.